everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys, and today I'll be showing you how you get a free domain name for your Wix website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead and find a website that can give you a free domain for you. But yeah guys, there are a couple of those websites and today I'm going to be showing you one. So you want to go ahead and open up a new tab, and in a new tab you want to type in the following. You want to type in .tk. Type in it like I just did right here. .tk. Go ahead and type in this and go search, and now you'll find this website where you can see your free domains for all. So you can go ahead and search for a free domain. So let's say we want our website URL to be something like tutorials for YouTube. So go ahead and type in what you want to be in your URL and go check availability. So as you can see here guys, now we have a couple options for free domains such as .tk, .ml, and so on and so on. Select the one you like the most and go ahead and click on get it now. So guys, as you can see here, now this has been added to your cart. We're going to go to checkout. Click on checkout. You can select a period for what you want this domain for. Let's say you want 12 months for free, and after doing that guys, go ahead and click on continue. Here you'll be able to sign in to your socials. Go ahead and create a free account, and after that guys, you'll be able to confirm that you want this domain, and then you'll be having purchased this domain. After having purchased this domain guys, you'll be able to connect this domain easily to your Wix website, either by redirecting that domain to your Wix website or going to thewix.com and going into settings. And while in settings, go ahead and click on domains, and here you'll be able to enter your new domain right here, so you can go ahead and put it to your Wix website. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. That's how you get a free domain. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.